Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Blessed Week Tarot and Guidance. Today I'm going to do a general reading for the zodiac sign Pisces, and today's topic is how will be your next 2 months. If you have your sun, moon or rising in Pisces, then you can refer to this reading. And also this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch this reading, it will be applicable for the next 2 months. Okay, so please watch this reading till end, because at the end I will take few guidances from Moonology Oracle deck. So now let's begin the reading. Okay, let me shuffle the cards once again. Okay, how will be next 2 months for Pisces zodiac sign? Okay. For first month, Knight of Wands, Nine of Cups, Temperance, King of Swords and Hanged Man. For next month, second month, Six of Cups, Justice, then Five of Swords, then Eight of Swords and Eight of Cups. Okay. Pisces, for the first month you got the card Knight of Wands. This card says that in the first month you will be in a very youthful spirit. You will feel energetic, determined, motivated towards your goals. You will chase your goals energetically and passionately. So this card also indicates that for some of you, change in residence is possible. Immigration will be done, and work related journey is also possible. And the next is Nine of Cups, and this card is called as the wish card. So any long desired wish is going to be fulfilled in the next month, and you will have emotional contentment. And overall this is a very good card for you, Pisces. Anything especially in love matters, if you wished for something and worked on that, that's going to be fulfilled in the next month, and you will feel so happy, joyful and emotionally content. Then the next card is Temperance. So as per this card, you will have balance in your life, like balance in your body and mind, balance in your personal and professional affairs, and balance in your expenses and savings also. And this also indicates, this card also says that if you grab any project in the next month, and that's going to be give you very promising result, you will get a fruitful result from that project. And yeah, this is also a good card for you, Pisces. The next one is the King of Swords. This card says that you will be kind of cutthroat attitude probably in the next month. This King of Swords energy is like very practical and less emotional. You will take decisions based on facts and from your logical mind. Even if it is your love life also, you will take decisions practically. There is no place for emotions in the next month for you. And for this reason you may seem sensitive, insensitive to people. So yeah, the next one is the Hanged Man. Pisces, this Hanged Man card says that you will isolate yourself from crowd. You will stay away from the day-to-day rat race, and you would like to rest and relax. and you will be thinking about your life situations from a fresh and different perspective. So, and you will find solution to your life issues also. So moreover, this is a rest and resignation card for you. So this is about how will be your next month, next first month. Then for the next second month, we got Six of Cups. This is the card of nostalgia. This card says that you will feel emotional by recalling about your past memories. Something or somebody will come back from your past. You may give gifts to that person. uh, it can be your childhood friend or any past love, and you will be feeling emotional by recalling those memories. Yes, so this is also a good card. And the next card we got for second month is Justice. This card indicates that if in the past you faced some unfair decisions, then this time you are going to get the justice for that. If you were right, and something unfair happened, so justice will be your side this time. And also it indicates that if you have any court cases, that's going to be resolved in the second month. And yes, yeah, the justice will be on your behalf. Okay, so the next card is Five of Swords. uh, this card indicates that something or somebody will leave you without giving proper explanation, without giving proper clarifications. And this is a kind of deception and betrayal card also. So you will be little anxious about that. So yeah, this is a little stressful and anxious card for you. And the next card is Eight of Swords. This card indicates that in the second month, it might be you will feel stuck, trapped, and lack of freedom. So as you can see here, this person is surrounded by eight swords, and he is tied up completely, and his eyes are blindfolded, and he is not able to move a step forward. So, but this thing will be in your mind only. Okay, so you can, if you wish, you can take a leap of faith here. You can take a step. You are so fearful that you are not able to move a step forward, but you need to get out of your mind and think practically. The situation in the outside is not that bad, and you are creating this bad situation in your mind only. So uh, you need to get rid of this kind of energy in the second month. In the second month, we got Eight of Cups card. This card indicates that something you will leave behind. You will walk away from a relationship which is not serving you, in which you invested a lot but didn't get anything in return. Finally, you are withdrawing your energy, your emotions from that relationship, and you are changing your direction in your life. So it indicates a new direction, but a good direction, which will be which will be for your betterment. So you are going towards the light, you are going towards the sun. So you will move away from a relationship which is not serving you. So I found that Pisces, your first month is quite good, but the second month will be little challenging. No worries, this is a temporary energy. So now let's see few guidances from the Moonology card deck. Let me shuffle. Okay, one more shuffle. The last shuffle. How will be, what's the guidance for Pisces? Okay, we are done. A personal issue resists resolution. Okay, and the next one is be bold and make the first move. Okay, a personal issue resists resolution. See, here the Hanged Man card was there. In the first month, where you are you are getting isolated from the crowd, from the rat race, and thinking about your personal issues, and that personal, this card confirms that your personal issue is going to be resolved with this Moonology deck, Moonology card. And the second is be bold and make the first move. This card complements, this guidance card complements with this tarot card. See, here you need to leave the fearfulness, and you have to be bold and take the first step. You need to take the first move. Here also, for the 8 of Cups card, yeah, you got 8 energy. That's good. So be bold and make the first move. Here also you are leaving something behind and going forward. That's good. So okay, Pisces, this is all about your reading for how will be your next 2 months. I hope you liked the reading. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel for next readings. Till then, keep smiling. Count your blessings. God bless you. Bye bye.